Hey guys, welcome back to Pennis Data Diaries. Today with a rather short episode. I want to show you how you can compare two different strings and spot the differences between them. Handy feature that you might already be using in your favorite IDE, or you have already seen it in Git when using the git diff command. And you can do something like this also in Python straight away. So this is a standard feature. It's part of the difflib library. Let me show you how to load it. So this is import difflib, and let's just load the SDL. And the command is dl.ndiff, and you put in two lists as an input. Don't just use strings. The strings need to be inside a list. So it's like string 1, which is in the list 1, and string 2, which is in list 2. So I just put it in like this, and let's see what it returns. It returns a generator object. So we have to iterate over it to get the output, and let's just write a for loop here. So it's for diff in what we just wrote up, and then just print the result, print diff. And you see, straightforward, you see the two sentences, and the differences are highlighted by these minus and plus icons below. So you see that this E here is added in the first sentence and it's not part of the second sentence. And over here we have the E, but we don't have it in the first sentence. And at the end, it also spotted the question mark, which is not part of this sentence. So yeah, pretty straightforward. I hope this is useful for you and hope to see you back soon on my channel.